Hello guys, welcome back. I'm right here in my room. Pretty much right now I'm looking at some lights for my sister's car. See which one works, because there's a headlight, a signal light, it doesn't work, so I'm gonna check. Then I have this old license plate. Before, when I was 19, I had a Honda Civic 2000, but my sister has a Honda Civic, so she wants this license plate, frame. And I'm gonna check the lights, which one works. Then I'm gonna check these, if they go inside her car. They were super bright white, so let's see if it actually goes. But let's see. I'm checking. This light doesn't work, so I gotta replace this one. These are stock, both of them. Then we have the license plate. So we're gonna check on that. We're gonna take these bolts out and put the frame in the back. So I'm gonna open the trunk. The two lights, they don't work. So I'm gonna change both of them. Hello guys, so I'm gonna be changing these two lights right here. And these two, it's raining, so you guys can't see, it's raining. So I'm gonna change them, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna change these two lights. If you guys could see, there's like a clip right here. You can just remove it. And there's another one right here. Okay. It's only right here. Right here. It doesn't get wet. Can you reach? Or you want me to bigger? So you take these two off. Ow. So you take this one off. Gasket.
Yeah.
You guys can see I changed them to white instead of that stock little light bulb orange. I changed those. I changed the inside.
Blue lights up.
turn this one, then blue, or I could put that one. So pretty good. My sister's car.